All right, if you're watching this, that means that you are struggling a little bit, which is good. It's called a productive struggle. So actually your brain remembers, it retains things a little bit better, actually a lot better, if you struggle a little bit. So this is actually a good thing. You're having this productive struggle. I'm going to do a problem similar to the heptagon. This is a nonagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sides. So area of any regular shape is going to equal 1/2 times the apothem times the perimeter. And normally I would suggest to throw in whatever you know already, but actually you don't know anything. The only thing you know is that you have a radius of 20. So what we have to do is we have to make this triangle. And I'm actually going to find out the measure of the central angle. So if I do 360 degrees divided by the 9 different triangles I can make, I get an angle of 40. So I know this angle here is 40. And then when I drop down the apothem, or the altitude if you want to call it that, that will bisect the vertex angle, and that will give me 20. So if I have the top angle is 20, I have the vertex, or sorry, I have the apothem is a 90-degree angle on the bottom, that means that this angle has to be 70 degrees. So I need two things. I'll color code it for you. I need to find the base, which will help me find the perimeter, and I need to find the apothem, which will help me find, well, the apothem. Clean this up. All right, it was meant to be. It doesn't matter which one you find first. I'm going to find the base first, so I'm going to find x. So the base is opposite. Undo. The base is adjacent to 70, or you could use 20. It would be opposite of 20. Doesn't matter. I'm going to focus on 70. And the hypotenuse, or the radius, is the hypotenuse. So I'm going to use adjacent over hypotenuse, SOHCAHTOA. That's going to be cosine of 70 equals x over 20. Multiply by 20 on both sides. 20 cosine 70 equals, so I get 6.84. So if I know this little side right here that I just found is 6.84, I can multiply that by 2 to get the whole thing as 13.68. And then if I multiply that by how many sides I have, that actually gives me the perimeter. So I got the perimeter to be 123.13. So I can find the perimeter here to be 123.13. I'll box it. Now, the last thing I need, I have 1/2, that's all good. I need the apothem, the length of the apothem, so I'll do this one in fuchsia. The apothem, y is opposite. 20 is hypotenuse still. Again, I'm always going to go from that angle of 70, that base angle. So I'm going opposite over hypotenuse is going to be sine of 70 equals opposite over hypotenuse. And these are the easy ones to solve because hypotenuse is in the denominator. So if I type in 20 sine 70 into my calculator, I get 18.79. And that's my apothem. And then finally, if I want to find the area, I just do 1/2 times 18.79 times 123.13. And I get 1,157.04. So area of this thing, 1,157.4. Boom. The struggle is good. If you're struggling right now, good. Enjoy it. You'll be better for it later. Less than 5 minutes. Pretty decent. Peace.